In today's episode, Juz gets hard to work installing a 2-inch Dobinsons suspension lift kit. The springs are rated for 350 kilos in the rear and a bull bar and winch up front. We decided to ditch the spare wheel carrier from underneath the car and also the standard 60 litre factory fuel tank. We replaced it with a 190 litre Outback Accessories long range tank. You'll notice there's not too much explaining throughout the video. We're in a rush to get it all done, with some major life changes happening which we'll share with you in upcoming videos. We hope you enjoy.
Next, I'm on to removing the factory tank. There is 2 bolts located at the rear of the car and 2 big straps that hold the fuel tank up and in. I'll have to reuse the factory sending unit out of the original tank.
Yeah, you're supposed to cut it, extend it 100mm.
Yep, just a couple of taps, extend it 100mm, cut it and then suspension pretty much sorted. Then put this rear tank back in and then we'll move on to the front. Lean on. Alright. Fuel tank can go back in now. Yeah, should ride a lot nicer after this. So that back's all done. I'll now just whack in the long range tank and then we'll move on to the front. Alright, so all the rear suspension is back in, long range tank is all fitted in, new bolt, had to put 2 new bolts from factory location, the diesel back in it, hopefully there's no leaks, fingers crossed, and then I'll just move on to the front. Nothing's coming out on the ground so far, which is good. Much the same as the rear. Whip these shocks off first. U-bolts out, brace this. Yeah. Pretty good. Bloody awesome. Yeah, 190 litre fuel tank, full Dobinsons suspension kit, new U-bolts, shocks, greasable shackles, bushes. We just went with a standard 2-inch lift kit. We just thought that'll be plenty good enough for us. And yeah, it's new steering dampener. yeah, ready to hit the road. Massive thank you to Stewie at Mornington Car Power for all your help with the 60 over the last couple months. You're a bloody legend, mate.
Like, comment and subscribe and join us for the next chapter.
Ready to hit the road. Definitely a bit higher.